So bored today. What can I do? I guess I'll go look up something at the computer. What should I search up? Ooh, I know. What are the options? Ooh, what's this? Fidget trading grounds. Sounds interesting. I guess I'll go to their website. Let's search it up. Okay. Come to Fidget Trading Grounds today. Plush City Road. Entry cost $5 per person. Well, what's the point of a trading ground if we don't have any fidgets? Oh, let's go order some. Hey, paratrooper. What? Are you bored? Yes. Then come here. We don't have any fidgets. Yeah, we can buy some. Okay. This one looks cool. Wow. I guess we can add the pack to the cart. Let's do it. Any minute now. Oh. It's here. It's here. Ooh. Package. Very hard to move. It takes up like the whole room. Must be worth it. Yep. Alright. Let me just open it. Hopefully I can just rip it open. Got it open. Get the poppets. Okay, let's go check them out. Woo! We got our poppets. Now let's go ahead to the hunting ground. Oh, not the hunting grounds. The trading grounds. Let's go. Sir? Hello? Can we get into the trading grounds, please? Sure, that'll be $5 per person. Okay. There you go. We're off. Wow! There's so many people here. Alright, let's split up. You take the cool looking poppet. You're probably gonna get some good trades. And I'll take these 2 rainbow poppets. Okay. That's good with me. Alright, and I'll just take these 2 poppets. Hello, would you like to trade? Sure. What you want to trade for? Well, see, I specialize in mini poppets. These ones are rare, so you better put up a good trade. Well, all I have is these rainbow poppets. Rainbow poppets? I've always wanted one of those. What kind of shapes do you have? Well, I have this circle one, and I also have this hexagon one. That's not a hexagon, that's an octagon. It is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wait, you're right. Which one do you want? Can I have the circle one, please? Sure. And can I have that green one and that Christmas tree one? Sure. Deal. Happy trading. Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. This is gonna be so fun. Gee, it's sure a great day for trading. Hey, excuse me, would you like to trade? Sure. I'll offer this cool rare rainbow poppets. Wait, can we have that? We will offer all of our poppets. Can we have it? Sure. Trade accepted. Happy trading. Happy trading, you two. Oh, I can't wait to show Koopa Troopa this. Koopa Troopa, look what I got. Here, Troopa, look, I got a bunch of poppets. Whoa! I got these 2 big poppets for that rainbow one. Apparently it was rare. Look how good they sound. See how good it sounds. Whoa, I got these mini poppets. Let's see how they sound. That's kind of quiet. How about this one? Oh, it's louder. How about this one? Oh, that's right. We haven't even tested out the ones we bought. Yeah, but you already traded yours and I already traded mine. Let's go get some more trades. You have dimples? Yes, I do. I have 2 of them. But they're gonna cost you. What kind of fidgets do you have? I have this square one. This is how loud it sounds. And I have this rainbow giraffe one. I really like it because it reminds me of ice cream. This is how loud it sounds. The giraffe's good, the green one, nah. But you're gonna have to get more than a giraffe. I request that giraffe, a Nido, and how about a bracelet poppet? Sure, I guess I'll do another trade. Okay, where's my phone? I gotta call Koopa Troopa. Yeah, hello? Yes, I need to tell you something. There's a person that has dimples, and we have to trade him the giraffe poppet, a Nido, and a bracelet poppet. So you go start finding those items and I'll try to look for more. Okay, bye. Hello, can I trade? Oh, can I trade for that Nido, please? Yeah. Well, I like mini poppets. Do you have any of those? Oh, I don't want to trade these away. Yeah, I have 2. Let's go pick them up. There you go. Happy trading. Happy trading. Beautiful day today. I wonder if anybody wants to trade. Hey, can I trade? Do you have any? Oh, can I trade for those? Sure. What do you got? I have these poppets. Can I? I'll give you both of these if you give me the green one. Sure. Here you go. I'll take these. Happy trading. Happy trading. We got everything we needed. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Wait, you actually got them? You're the first people who ever actually got them in years without buying them. Wow. You know what? I'll give you both of them just to be nice. Well, thank you. Happy trading. Happy trading. Alright, let's go home. Come on.